Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss questions on renewable energy. You can download the short notes of the Hindu PDF from the given below links on daily basis, which is important for your UPSC journey. Next we move further. Here you can join the WhatsApp group for answer writing initiatives. Next you can follow me on my Facebook page. You can subscribe the blogs for getting an interesting articles regarding the personality development and the UPSC related articles, right friends? Next you can join the Telegram channel for getting an various kind of PDFs. Next we see towards what the video is meant for. This video is meant for the questions based on the renewable energy, chapter 6 of Shankar IAS, and it is a part 5, and in this what we all included, that is what we are going to see the questions what topics we are going to see, that is ocean thermal energy, cogeneration, waste energy, right friends? So in this part we are going to see these three aspects. So now we are starting the question number 1, that is which of the following given statement is correct? The process is harnessing ocean thermal energy is called pardon me for the delay. Right, the process of harnessing ocean thermal energy is called option number A, that is ocean thermal energy conversion, and option number B, hydropower energy conversion. So choose the correct answer from the below given options. The options here are only one, only B, only A and B, and neither one nor B. So which one of the would be right answer? Please do comment section. Please do your answer in the comment section. So let me tell you the answer. The answer for this question is option number A will be the right answer. Next we see further the second question, that is which of the following given statements is correct? Option number A, statement number 1 says Hanthal Creek is located in the Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat, and the second statement says Hanthal Creek, sorry, not Greek, I have read Greek in first statement, so please pardon me and correct it. Next, Hanthal Creek is located in the Gulf of Mannar in Tamil Nadu. So choose the correct code. Only A, only B, none, both A and B. So here our option, first of all let me eliminate some options from this. So one location will not be at the two places, isn't it friends? So from here both A and will be goes wrong, first options. And the second option is, it is talking about the gulfs, right friends? It is talking about the gulfs which would be nearby water bodies, right friends? That means it should be either from A, either from B. So our option C will goes wrong, okay, in general perspective, right friends? Next we see about the Hanthal Creek is located in the Gulf of Mannar and Tamil Nadu. So there are no creeks nearby Tamil Nadu, right friends? If you glance the map at least once also, you won't mark the option number B, right? B friends, right? For this purpose second option will goes wrong and option number A will be the right option here. Next, I hope you understood how to eliminate the wrong options from given questions in the preliminary examinations, right friends? So we move further the third question, that is what do you understand by the term syngas? Now this is an important question, right friends? So this is an important question. Even you can see same kind of options and as well as questions will come in your UPSC preliminary examinations. So we will move further. The statement A says pyrolysis is a process of chemical decomposition of organic matters brought about by heat. In this process, the organic material is heated in the absence of air until the molecules thermally break down to become a gas comprising smaller molecules, right friends? Next, second statement says pyrolysis is a process of chemical decomposition of organic matter brought about by heat. In this process, the organic materials is heated in the absence of air until the molecules thermally break down to become a gas comprising small molecules. So you can choose the answer from the below given codes. So choose the correct answer from the code. Option number A, only A; B, none of the above; C, only B; and D, all of the above. So choose the correct answer. So here how to eliminate wrong options for this. So one second friends, let me tell you one thing. For such kind of questions, you can easily attempt these kind of questions in your examinations, right? You can damn sure you can 100% correct about this kind of statements, I assure you. Okay friends, if you follow the elimination method, how, let me tell you. So here in option A says chemical decomposition is an organic matter brought about by heat. In this process, inorganic. So from the entire process you can see only one difference, that is here the inorganic material and here the organic material. Rest of the statements are overall correct statements, right friends? So for this purpose only we are just practicing these things, right friends? And these are the most important questions because these are the UPSC's favorite topics, right friends? So there are only one differences, right? So in syngas both the statements will not be possible, that is inorganic as well as organic. So all of the above is wrong, right friends? All of the above is wrong answer. So obviously when two statements are wrong, that means there is a possibility of none of the above as well, right friends? But if you have some sort of idea, then you can easily eliminate the second option, right? So in this manner you have to try to attempt these questions, but not just leave the questions and say paper बहुत tough आ गया, ऐसे वो ये फलाना ढिमकाना. Okay, so don't give excuses on yourself. So please try to attempt. Next we see further the fourth question, that is what do you understand by the term cogeneration? Cogeneration is producing two forms of energy from one fuel. One of the form of energy must be always heat and the other may be electricity or mechanical energy. Second statement says cogeneration is producing two forms of energy from one fuel. One of the form of energy must always be heat and the other may be chemical but not mechanical energy, right friends? So choose the correct options from the given below options. Only A, only B, none of the above, all of the above, right friends? So now let me tell you the answer for this question. The answer will be only A is the right answer. Okay friends, so on what basis I have said that is, see here also even they have given the same kind of statement, that is but not mechanical energy. Yeah, they have changed the entire statement itself here, sorry. So till here the statement is correct. Okay friends, till here the statement number 1 and 2 are correct, that is cogeneration is producing two form of energy from one fuel. One of the form of energy must be always be heat, that is one of the energy must be heat. This is a confirmation code which is given to students, right friends? And the other way is electrical and mechanical energy. So see, whenever the heat is generating, by heat the chemicals, can the chemical energy be established by that? It is relatively not possible, right friends? If you think in common sense, it is not possible. And can the heat energy be converted into directly mechanical energy? No friends. So sorry. So yes, the cogeneration, yes, तो ये प्रोवाइड करेगा, मतलब इट विल प्रोवाइड द मैकेनिकल एनर्जी बट नॉट द केमिकल एनर्जी, बिकॉज द केमिकल एनर्जी इज टोटली अ डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट एज कंपेयर टू द मैकेनिकल एंड द इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, electricity. So statement number 1 goes right here and the second statement will goes wrong. So option number 1 will be right answer. So I hope you understood the explanation about this. So let me mark the question answer for this. So option number A will be the right answer. Next we move further. The fifth question, consider the following statements, consider the following correct statements. Option number A says central finance assistance is provided by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy in the form of capital subsidy and financial incentives to biomass energy projects in India. Right, friends? So this central financial assistance will provide a financial assistance to the biomass energy projects in India. And the second statement, it is saying central finance assistance is provided by the Ministry of Agriculture in the form of capital subsidy and the financial incentives to the biomass energy projects in India. So it is talking especially about the ministries, right, friends? So you have to see what kind of ministries it is. So you have to keep focus in your ministries, governments, committees, years, institutions, organizations, everything in your mind while reading the topics, right? So here let me tell you the options for this question. That is, choose the correct code from the below. That is only A, only B, none of the above, all of the above. So our answer will be A is the right answer because it is provided by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, but not by the Ministry of Agriculture, right, friends? So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe for Acquire IAS and do share as much as possible to your friends, relatives, and suggest to your friends and those who are you like more, which is very much authentic channel which is providing a free of cost, right? And from yes, friends, I want to tell you one thing, that is from 25th May, right, friends? From 25th May 2020 we are providing MCQs of the day from the current affairs. MCQs of the day from the current affairs, right? So you can get the PDFs of that and the Hindu short notes and everything from that, right, friends? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe for Acquire IAS. Thank you very much. Have a great day.